All right, I'm just going to be going over how to do Lab 14 because that's your assignment for today. You're not going to have a lesson. So Lab 14 is all about reconstructing Pangaea. So the first thing I do is going to print this off. Obviously ignore the essential question. That's useless. Here's a procedure. You have to cut out all the continents, and you have to connect them in a way, arrange the continents in a way that would form the continent of Pangaea. And how are you going to do that? Well, you're going to do that by using the similar features and making sure that similar features are near each other. So for instance, the rocks, these symbols here mean rocks generally. So the rocks in Europe, the rocks in North America or Eastern North America, the rocks in Africa, they all go together. So you have to kind of fit the continents in a way where they're all near each other. All these rocks are near each other, right? Fossils, you have to align these continents in a way where these fit together. Align these continents in a way where these fit together. The plants, they have to fit together. They have to kind of be near each other. You can see 1, 2, 3. Right, and we know that Australia, India, and Antarctica are relatively far away from each other, but according to the idea of Pangaea, well, they were all together at one point. So the plants that would be on those those countries, the plant fossils, are all going to be the same. So you have to connect them together, and on this blank piece of paper here. So you just kind of paste it on there, and that's that. Now to help you, because it is a little annoying to do this, you have some guides. The first guide here is this is showing Pangaea. You can see where all the continents are. We have like Europe and Asia, North America, South America, Africa, Antarctica, India, and Australia. So this is actually showing Pangaea. So this can be a good reference for you if you're having trouble fitting the continents together. That's a good reference. I also put this picture here. This picture also shows Pangaea. Keep in mind that the countries are not going to, or the continents are not going to fit together perfectly, right? They're not going to fit together perfectly. There's been tons of erosion, other forces going on. The actual edges of the continents will not perfectly fit. They won't fit. So just do the best you can. It should fit pretty well. It should fit decently well. And that's really it. There's going to be a Google form where you're going to fill these questions out. And what I'm going to ask you to do is when you actually have your final kind of, Pangaea, I'm going to ask you to take a picture of it, and you're going to upload it right into the Google form, and you'll be good to go. Okay, that's really it for the instructions. If you have any questions, you can always email me.